Is the third born forming the Thimlich brothers. The Thimlich is a Luo word. In English, it is called a scary jungle, and this is the third brother. Now here is his gate. We are moving towards Oluoch's home. So this is Oluoch's home, and Oluoch had many wives. The numbers cannot be found. We will trace that. Now this was the Oluoch's home, the way it was actually made. Now this is called Dipo in Luo. In English, it's called the cowrie shed. The shed where the animals, bigger animals, cows, were being closed for. And as I'm moving towards the gate of the cowrie shed. This is the gate of the cowrie shed. Now, Oluoch's home was situated at the highest point. And at the point where I am, this was the best watching tower. So anytime the enemies could come, any adversary could come, Oluoch, the third brother forming the team, would stand in this place, knocking some drum sets, producing some sounds that the enemies were around. Now he could walk this way, looking behind. He could climb. And beat the drum sets noisily, alerting the other brothers that the enemies are around, so that they could come out and repel the enemies. We are still moving to their last born brother, who is Akuku, down there.